In this example, I want to talk about raster images, your JPEGs, your PNGs, your bitmaps, things like that through the high resolution image workshop. So this is where Composer is quite different from taking screenshots, because screenshots are just that, the resolution of, of your screen. And of course you could, take a screenshot, but that defeats the purpose. Where now in the workshop, we have options to control things like anti-aliasing to smooth edges. Do we want transparency with alpha channel? Specifically, full control over the pixel width, height, DPI, the size, you name it, to do much more than just, a print screen of what we have in the window there. So initially, let's just do a quick preview, see what that looks like. It opens up in the photo previewer, and it doesn't look bad, but it is a raster image. It is fairly low resolution, and it doesn't take long before we zoom in, and it gets quite blurry on there. So that's the limitation of just taking a screenshot. There's only so much you can do unless you have a 4K or an 8K monitor or something like that. Where inside a Composer, we can create our own settings, our own profiles. In this case, I have my high res option that's 2650 horizontal pixels and 600 DPI without the alpha channel, because I'm not interested in transparency in this example. Generate a preview, and it is considerably more crisp. Looking at the image, I should probably fix that arrow if I was really going to use these in a true use case. But I think it looks pretty good for this example. Zoom in quite a bit more and the image still looks nice and crisp on screen. And you can adjust your resolution and DPI accordingly so you get, the size of the image you need with the crispness, of the image itself. Now, yes, I could save the image out, but I have a half a dozen different images that I want to save, and save, repeat, save, repeat. Well, that's just a little bit too time consuming. So what do we do about that in Composer? Well, thankfully, these output workshops have the multiple option where we can have the software auto save every single view and almost think of it as a batch save type operation. Go ahead and drop them into my bucket and let the software do its thing. Now, depending on the size of your images and the number of your images, it might take a minute or two or several minutes if you're saving out dozens and dozens of images that are, quite large from a resolution standpoint. But in this case, I have a few pictures saved out. Let's go to the desktop and grab them. And I have a nice library of PNG files in this case that I could work with. And as we cycle through them, we've got our parts list that we could use in a different use case if we didn't want the vector file, our start view, and then our sequence of events for maintaining or repairing or replacing that particular cylinder. So the whole idea, you generate it safely in Composer, you get your images, you get your graphics on screen, and then you can batch export these assets and use them, really in whatever tool you need to use them in. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.